Going live on TikTok and Bling Monopoly Girl is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can go live on TikTok and play Monopoly. So in order to do that, as you can see, I have Monopoly Go right here. You just have to open up your TikTok application, and in your TikTok application you simply have to tap on this create icon. After tapping on this create icon, what it will do is it will open up your camera. Now in the camera, as you can see, I cannot see an option right here just because TikTok Live is not available in my region, but in your case you will see a screen something like that. Here you have select live, and there you have just like mobile gaming as a streaming option. What it will do is it will start streaming your whole yellow mobile screen, and you have after what you just have start playing human play go. Just open Monopoly Go up and start playing. So that's pretty much that I will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this today helpful.